Boombox Platinum Football. Here we go. The only other football one we got after this is mid-end. Looks like no Josh Allen ticket. Maybe we'll get one in the mid-end. It is a Josh Allen ticket this month, by the way. There's our mag. Put our stuff back in here. Packing. So this month, July, we made it 6 months rolling on these. We have a 2023 Illusions first off the line pack. Could be a good one there. 1 and 2 packs have hits. The 2023 Donruss Hobby. 1 and 9 hit odds. And Elite Hobby. 1 in 6.7 odds there. And then Phoenix H2. So we can look for exclusive H2 parallels in there. And then our 2 extra packs. We got a 2015 Topps Chrome, which we usually see, and a 2022 Bowman's Best University. So any NFL players that have been drafted will go to that team that they were drafted on. Any college players will random off that are still in college. We'll randomize those off at the end or in the channel. All right. Oh, that's a good one there. I love that one. Calvin Johnson, 2015. We're on there now. Calvin Johnson, Antonio Gates, another really good player. Oh, and Jimmy Graham, refractor, and then a rookie, Tyler Croft, for the Bengals. Jimmy Graham, refractor. It's pretty cool. 3 great receivers. Gates, Johnson, Graham. Is Jimmy Graham still playing? I think he was still playing last year. Ooh, we got a die cut here. Make sure it doesn't fall out on me. Cade Klubnik. I think he's still at Clemson. So that'll be a one we can do. Oh, is this going to be an auto? Oh, no, it's not. Will Anderson. That's for the Texans. Stetson Bennett, Gunslingers. Die cut. Not numbered or anything, but just an interesting looking die cut there. Stetson Bennett, a really good college quarterback. Hasn't made his way too much into the league so far. Jordan Travis for Florida State, who got injured last year, I believe, and hopefully he's going to bounce back. Mason Smith from LSU, refractor. So we got a campus captains, Jordan Travis. Which, did he get drafted? Maybe he did. Maybe not. Maybe. Jordan Travis. Is he still in from Florida State? Is he still in the in college? Yes. No. Maybe so. All right. 2023 Phoenix H2. Went to the Jets. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Looks like we might have a H2 parallel, maybe. Got Josh Allen, Justin Jefferson, Jalen Hurts, Deontay Johnson, Jake Moody from Michigan, kicker for the 49ers, Kalijah Cansey, and our H2 is a Devin Witherspoon. I think this is H2, maybe not. It is numbered to 199. Witherspoon for the Seattle Seahawks, or the NFC West, right? Dan, I believe. And then we had a Michael Mayer, Hot Routes insert. Rookie, pretty cool. Get these ones top loaded up. Get a first numbered card. So not our last. Alright, next up, Elite 2023 Hobby. Find in here. These ones are always backwards, I don't know. Kid Reporter. We got a Cooper Kupp Elite deck, which probably means we don't have any hits in this one. Jalen Ramsey, Aaron Jones, Justin Herbert, and DK Metcalf. Elite is pretty hit or miss. 2 packs left. Don Ross. 2023. All 2023. James Cook, Xavier McKinney, Keenan Allen, Bobby Wagner, Tally Smith, Devin Singletary, Yaya Diaby, I don't know, rated rookie, Otis Anderson, Legends Series, insert, Otis Anderson, got a Zay Flowers, rated rookie, and, oh nice, numbered to 107, Michael Thomas for the Saints. And the Zay Flowers, this is like the canvas, I think it's called, or something. Maybe called something different nowadays, but was canvas at one point. Should have a good year in Baltimore. And the main part, oh look at that, there we go, CJ Stroud right in the front. This is first off the line. Oh, I think we got a filler. But we did get a CJ Stroud, rookie, not bad for the Texans division. Dak Prescott, Tua, and we get a first off the line exclusive. Maybe not, I'm not exactly sure. This is numbered to 99, Justin Tucker for the Ravens. It's a cool one. And yes, indeed, we did get a spacer, filler, whatever. And then Bobby Wagner, King of Cards, insert. So there we go. Let me get these two top loaded up, then we'll just do a little recap of what we got. Fortunately, this corner on the CJ Stroud is a little, might be able to, I didn't try and touch it at all, but alright, little recap. CJ Stroud, Justin Tucker to 99, Zay Flowers, canvas, Michael Thomas to 107, Devin Witherspoon to 199, Michael Mayer, Hot Routes, Gunslinger, Die Cut, Stetson Bennett, Mason Smith, Refractor, Jordan Travis, Campus Captains, and Jimmy Graham, Refractor. So that'll do it.